In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency in the Emirates app. So first go onto the Emirates app. This is what it should look like depending on what region you're in. And then click on book down at the bottom. And today we're going to go to Bangkok. From Bangkok to Cartagena, Colombia. We're going to use these dates and one adult ticket. So hit search. All right, now after you're here, as you can see, it's in Thailand baht. So click on change currency down here at the bottom, and then here you can find any currency that you want. I'm going to use the USD. Up here at the top, I'm going to click on US dollar, and it's not going to change the currency as you can see, but what it does do is it converts it for you into the approximate USD, and that's the best that it's going to get for this app. So I do hope that does work out for you guys. It's not that bad. I mean, and this is a great practice for you to see the conversions of how much USD can get you Thailand baht or whatever currency that you're using to wherever you're going. So there you have it. This is how you change the currency in the Emirates app. Comment, like, subscribe. Any questions that you have, let me know, and thank you for watching.